Hello and welcome to Chrome Story. Here we talk about Chrome OS and other Chromium based browsers. Now, today I want to show you how to change the system language for your Chromebook. So you're not talking about just the browser and the language in which content appears on your browsing pages. We're talking about all of this, including all the UI elements. So for that, you open the settings app and from the left side select system preferences and then choose languages. Now you will see device language up at the top. So to change your device language, you click change, and then if you have the language that you're looking for, select this here, or use a search option, and then you select the language and then click confirm and restart. I'm not doing this at the moment because it will change the language into something that I don't know, and it will be a little tricky for me to get that back. But if you are changing to a language that you speak or read, shouldn't be an issue for you. So change device language, search and select the language, and then select confirm and restart. So that is how you change your system language on the Chromebook. I hope you found this little tutorial useful. If you did, click that like button below this video to let me know. Thank you.